Good day, friends. Today I'm going to take you on a little bit of a bike ride. I'm going to show you the Mi Band 3 in action. Would not try this at home. The whole idea was a little silly as I actually rode the bike and held my GoPro and I try and show you the whole trip. So hey, without any further ado, let's get cracking. Alright friends, the audio on this clip was horrible because of the wind noise, but there I am with the Mi Band 3 in one hand and the GoPro in the other hand, so yes, no hands on the handlebars. I would normally launch the app when I was standing still, but here I am setting it up while biking. So there are only 4 options. You can do cycling, you can do walking, you can do running, or you can do the treadmill. So I'm going to click the cycling choice and let's go for a ride. Just a friendly reminder, I do not promote no-hand biking while looking down at your device. But for this video, I wanted you to see just how the app actually works while doing the riding. You can see that it tracks our speed, it tracks heart rate, and it also gives audio feedback as you ride. The trip to Mount Pisgah is quite beautiful. Quite often I time it where either the sun is coming up or the sun is going down. It is always beautiful as I pass by Tunnel Park, and quite often you get to smell what people are grilling, which is always pretty cool as well. This is Lake Makatawa, and we are super close to Mount Pisgah. Cool thing to note about the app, it talks and gives you all the info, heart rate and everything included. It was pretty darn slick. And then right here is Mount Pisgah. We can bike in, but only so far. And then we've got to walk back to the beautiful Mount Pisgah so we get to see that sun through the trees. No bicycles past this point, and it's about a quarter of a mile to walk back. So when you stop, it totally shows you your route and all your stats. Now I'm not done. My next step is I want to do the climb. So I'm going to call that outdoor running because I run these stairs, and let's get cracking. Alright, so I'm going to speed this up to 4x so that we can get to the top of the stairs, because the views on the way are wonderful, but they're not quite the highlight of the trip. I run the stairs because I love what it does for my heart rate, which is great when you're trying to get to your peak fitness level. I love the Mount Pisgah workout because every time I do a lap, I am greeted by this view when I get to the top of the first plateau. And normally I do this 10 times, but there's a Lions game tonight, hence the Lion shirt. Tag. Let's get a few more in. Alright friends, we've got 2 laps in, up in the 160s for the heart rate. So I'm just here to say that right now this app, this device, crushing it. Alright, so that is what my workout looked like as a run. I just went back and forth for about 3/4 of a mile. What they don't note is that it was 239 stairs going up and down the whole way. And now I'm gonna bike home. So hey, that was Mount Pisgah, and I'll show you some more stuff on the app later, but thanks for tagging along. So just to wrap up, you can attain the My Band 3 Smart Bracelet for 27 bucks. The promo ends in about 18 hours. Maybe it'll come back, maybe it won't, but just letting you know that it is there. There's a link down in the description. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, click that notification bell. If you've got any questions or comments, add them below. And once again, thanks for watching, friends.